Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This travel trailer has 2 full bedrooms. Now the Shadow Cruiser 280 QBS has a big power awning, outside kitchen, and electric stabilizers front and back. Now with every single one of their floor plans, the sidewalls are fully aluminum framed, and inside you're going to see vaulted ceilings. So if you're a little taller, you're not going to feel like your head's bumping up against the ceiling. Propane electric refrigerator. They also give you an air fryer. Now the downside is, because it being only 32 feet 10 inches in total length, you get a small-ish kitchen because you get the 2 separate bedrooms. Now when you go to 37, 38 feet in total length, of course you get the bigger kitchen, like you've seen in other floor plans I have videoed. What's amazing with Cruiser RV is this pantry is an example of the words no waste of space. They understand that storage is highly important and they shouldn't just leave a blank wall. We have a fold-out couch so you can fit a bigger kid or adult to sleep rather than a futon where they have to crunch their knees. And you're going to see I'm only going to open up in the bedroom 1 wardrobe and 1 cabinet because they're the same on both sides, and I was trying to keep this video under 3 minutes. Like I said earlier, at 32 feet 10 inches in total length, it is really hard to put a large bathroom into a bunkhouse travel trailer. But to compensate, they at least gave you the bathtub. Inside the room, you have another dinette. That bed will flip up. You have storage under the bed and a couple of drawers and extra little cabinets to store your clothing, toys, things of that nature. Each bunk bed can carry up to 275 pounds. And in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a lot bigger 2-bedroom travel trailer.